Hi, welcome back to iHeart Maths. And this question focuses on January 2016 question 2A part 1. It's an inequality problem. Yes, inequality is an algebraic topic, but it's more like an advanced form in solving equations. All right? Now, you're given here the inequality 8 minus x less than or equal to 5x plus 2. This translates to 8 minus some number is less than or equal to the sum of 5x plus 2. That's what it means. All right. Now, I worked out the solution, so let's have a go at that. Notice it said that solve for x, where x is a real number. Okay? Alright, we can't ignore that fact, and of course you have to know that a real number is any element of the set R, which is the union of rational and irrationals. Okay, so it could be a negative integer, it could be a positive integer, it could be a square rooted number, it could be the answer could be a fraction, etc., etc. So let's take a look at the solution that I found here. Alright, so note, first thing I have to tell all my students, because people get intimidated when they see these less than or greater than signs. Yeah, they tend to run. Right? Is it just treat it like an equal sign. Treat it like an equal sign. Okay? Now, as we all know, solving equations is like playing Russian roulette, where you have to put all your x terms on the left hand side and all non-x terms or constants on the right hand side. So as you can see here, I shifted 5x on the left hand side, which it turned to a negative term, and the 2 stay because that's already on this right side, but the 8 has to go over as a negative. Okay, once it crosses the other side, the sign automatically changes. Now, minus 1x minus 5x is minus 6x. You keep your sign as is, which is less than or equal to for the time being. And 2 minus 8 will work out as minus 6. So we end up with an inequalities, which is minus 6x less than or equal to minus 6. Right, this is the tricky part. Okay? Now, it's not good to have, well, nobody likes to, you're not supposed to work, nobody likes, you're not supposed to work with a negative coefficient of x in inequalities. So therefore, you must multiply the entire line by negative 1. Okay? When you multiply this line through by negative 1, you will end up with this inequality. And note the sign will flip around. Yes, once you multiply the line throughout, the sign will change over. So it becomes 6x greater than or equal to 6, right? And then you just solve like a normal equation. And at the end there, you see I have, therefore, x will be greater than or equal to 1. All right? Now, if you go back to the past paper again, the part 2. Part 2 for 1 mark. They said show your solution to A part 1 on the number line below. Alright, so they give you a number line of integers from negative 4 up to positive 4. Alright, so all you have to do is use this solution, which is x is greater than or equal to 1, and show it on the number line. So let's see what I did here. So I put show to show. We're going to show x is greater than or equal to 1 on the number line. Note you have to make a solid dot or solid circle, because in this case it's a greater than or equal to. Now if it was greater than alone, you would have had a hollow circle. And of course, I put it, you must place it over 1, because as the solution was, it's x is greater than or equal to 1. Meaning, x can either be 1 or greater than 1. And in this case, x follows as the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. Just a bit further, I concluded that hence X belongs to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. So that was it for question 2A of the January 2016 past paper. Take care. Bye-bye.